So are you guys ready? Are you ready to have some fun and do some sequencing? Whoa, Barbie and Jessie. Hey, what are you guys doing? I was just taking Jessie for a quick birthday ride around the park. Oh, Barbie, this is so much fun. You're getting me so ready for my birthday party tonight. I knew you would like it. That's right, Jessie, I can't wait for your birthday party. And don't forget, Buzz is making me my favorite chocolate chip cookies. Oh, it sounds like a plan. All right, guys, I'm gonna get out of here. I'll see you later. Hey there, Buzz, what are you doing? Hey, Woody, where are you? It's a birthday. Today's a birthday, I totally forgot. Oh, this Bonnie, she's got me playing all around the house. Do you think I can help you with this, Buzz? Of course, Woody, of course you can. But I want you to remember, when we bake, we're learning and we're teaching all of our boys and girls and friends out there how to sequence. Okay, first word is going to be, in sequencing, is step 1. And what do we have to do with that? We have to gather all our ingredients. Do you think you could help me get some ingredients? You got it. What do you need, Buzz? I need some butter, sugar, brown sugar. All right, I'll be right back. I found some eggs for you. Found some vanilla for you. Boy, you're going so good. Do you need some baking soda? Yeah, Buzz. Yeah, Woody, I think we need some. Got it for you. Oh, such a good help. How about some brown sugar? Yep. Whoa, this is a big bag of Jessie's favorite chocolate chips.
Yummy. Yummy.
What else do we need, Buzz? We need that butter, Woody. Okay. Woody, do you need some help? Oh, don't worry. I got it. I got the flour. Oh, it's a good thing Bonnie keeps me active all day. Got some measuring cups. And finally, I got a big thing, of sugar. All right, Woody, so far, we're gonna start our baking. We're gonna bake chocolate chip cookies by sequencing. So we just completed the first part, and that was step 1, gathering all the ingredients. What's next, Buzz? Well, what we're gonna do is, now we're gonna put all the ingredients inside of our big mixing bowl. And we're gonna mix. That's step 2, mixing all the ingredients together. Jessie. All right, the first thing on my recipe card, it says 1 cup of butter. Can you get that butter for me, Jess? You got it. We're gonna take our butter. What's next? We need 1 cup of sugar. Here's our sugar right here. Pick it up. Okay, Woody, can you start mixing for me? Good job. Remember, guys, we're sequencing today, and this only should take 10 minutes to bake. Are you ready, Woody, to scoop some in? Does everyone want to count with me while we scoop our cookies? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Birthday party to infinity and beyond, to infinity and beyond. Hey guys, let's sing happy birthday. Happy birthday to Jessie. Yeehaw! Happy birthday to Jessie. Yeehaw! Happy birthday to Jessie. Yeehaw! Here comes my friend Barbie. Woo! I wouldn't miss this party for the world. Hey, is it? Yeehaw! Best party ever! I can't wait for these cookies to be done. Happy birthday to Jessie. Happy birthday to Jessie. Happy